Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, something very exciting is happening today, or has happened. We'll get into it when the video starts, but if you are interested in seeing what I got in the mail today, keep watching. Cue the intro! I'm so excited! So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on a second. Excuse me, excuse my stomach and my body. I have to move stuff out the way to show you guys what I got in the mail today. I'm so excited! What did I get in the mail today? Okay, how do I'm gonna bring this down. Can you see now? No. Let me see. What did I get in the mail today? First of all, I would like to say I ordered this not even that long ago. I ordered maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I was waiting for it to come so I could do my trim, but I didn't get it in time, so I had to use my regular blow dryer, which is nothing wrong with it. Love that blow dryer still. But what I got in the mail today is my, oh my god, you still can't see it, my Rev Air blow dryer. I am so excited! So, if you know anything about this blow dryer, let me move it out of the way for a second. If you know anything about this blow dryer, you know that it is like hella expensive. And I was like, you should not get this. I've been thinking about getting this blow dryer for years. I would like to say years, but I never got it because this thing is more expensive than any blow dryer I have ever bought. It is the most expensive hair tool / product that I own. Probably everything that I own combined still would not cost how much this costs. But they had a payment plan, and I think it was around Valentine's Day that I ordered it, and I'm not with anybody right now, and I was feeling a little bit lonely, okay? So I decided to engage in some self-care. I was like, let me just go ahead and order it. You know, why not? Live in the moment. So I did, and it's here now. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that's in here. I'm gonna bust it open. So, I don't know if you guys can really see, but this is what's in there when you first open it up. Basically, yeah, quick start guide, how you use it, operating manual. So, those are important, you know, but we put those to the side for now. And I'm going to open this part. Oh, the videos did not do it justice. This thing is huge. You guys can see. It's huge. It's a good thing the tubing is long because my hair's not hella long, but I do have a big head. Whoa. Oh. I don't know if it runs on batteries, but I don't see no plug. But this is the head. I did not get the stand for the head because the blow dryer itself was too much, you know. So I was like, we're just gonna get this for now, and then maybe later on we'll work on the housing unit for it. But this is it. It has this. I don't know if I'm doing a very good job of showing you guys. Once again, excuse me, gut. But this is how long the tube is. So that's great for like if I'm doing somebody else's hair, which I have started kind of doing a few people's hair every now and again, just for fun. Please don't ask me to do your hair because I'm not a professional, and if you go bald because of me, I can't handle it because I know I don't want to go bald because of somebody else. So let me take this dust jacket off of the actual piece. This thing is huge. Okay, the plug is right here. I was wondering about that. Oh, the plug. This is like a real vacuum. Because it has a place to wrap the plug and everything. Like right here. You can wrap it. But if you see, compared to my head, if you know me in person, you know I have a big head. And this is bigger than my head. So, most expensive, biggest blow dryer I've ever had. So, let me get in here. I'm having to do so much work. I'm really pumped. Like, if this blow dryer doesn't work, I'm going to be very sad. But it looks really good. It feels crispy. It feels new, you know. Let me plug it up over here. Gotta take the protector thing off. And from the videos that I have seen, right here is how you turn it on, like turn the whole machine on. And then over here is how much you want it to suck. Over here is how much you want it to suck. So it goes from 1 to 7. And then on the actual nozzle it's off right now. And then it has, I think this is like heat settings, like the lower is not too hot and the higher is higher heat or whatever. So that's that on that. And yeah, I wish I could show you guys more of what it looks like. Let me see. I'm sorry that you're looking at my stomach, but this is the blow dryer. It's plugged up right now. Let's see what it, because people when they did their videos, they were like, oh, it's so loud. So I was like, I want to see how loud it is. So let's see. We're gonna do, let's do 3. I just want to see how loud it is. I'm not gonna use it right now. Nothing happened. Let's see, maybe if I push a button. Now that was loud as hell, okay? I'm so excited to try this. I'm gonna set it on the side for now. That is kind of frustrating that it, okay. Now you can see me, right? Eek. Okay. It's kind of frustrating that this doesn't come with a place you can sit it. Like, I feel like it should be part of the machine if you already have. Oh, not my ashy knees being in the video. Okay, I feel like it should come with a, what is that thing called? It should come with a place to sit it at. I shouldn't have to purchase an extra one, especially considering how much the machine costs by itself already. But it didn't come with one, so that's not a problem. I just hope I don't damage it too much by sitting it down when I'm not using it. So there's that. I might just keep putting it back inside that little dust jacket that it came with until I have the $40 to spend on getting that housing unit to hold it. So yeah, okay, so that's the unboxing. And in the next video I am going to be using it. I just did my hair not too long ago because I didn't expect it to come so soon. So my hair doesn't look too crazy. So I think I'm going to let this be what it is for the next few days. And then when I do go to wash my hair, I'm going to come back and show you guys what I think about it, like actually in practice. But I just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. I was so super excited. A couple of people on Instagram thought that Red Bear had sent this to me. They did not. I purchased this with my own money. So when I do review it, you know it's going to be 100% honest because they did not pay me. Okay, so I mean, unless Red Bear, if you're seeing this and you want to send me some extra coins, maybe even 50% refund would be great. You know, but yeah, so this is the unboxing. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna do this for like the thumbnail. I might do like this. I'm like, what's in the box? You know, so anyway, I will see you guys next week or just later when I actually use this thing. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.